Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Gems, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll take it on from there. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my gems, please. A blessing, guidance, advice for Gemini. This one, okay. Let's keep this here, Gemini. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Gemini, is optimism. Is this just a blessing, spirit, or does Gemini have to be optimistic about their love life? Let's open your cards and figure this one out. Okay, so Gemini, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, your likes, your comments. Thanks for clicking that like button all the time, because that really kind of helps the videos to circulate to other people. I'm very grateful when you do that. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Gems. So Gemini, this is going to be a small little mini love bite, just a 9-card spread, to check if there's any message that needs to come through to you. And your longer readings have already been put up. If you've missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So some decisions have been made, or are going to be made, or need to be made here, Libra, in your love life. Gemini. Sorry, I said Libra. I just finished the Libra reading, so it was on my tongue, I think. So Gems, this is your card, right? The Lovers is your card, and yes, this Lovers card in reverse signifies that there is an important decision which has either been made, or is being made, or has to be made. So let's open the cards and see, Gems. 3 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups in reverse, 7 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, the Emperor, center of my deck, 4 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Let's see what's going on. There is somebody here who needs to make a decision. There's an Emperor sitting here right in the center of my spread, Gems, having to make a decision regarding something. Maybe 2 people, I don't know. Let's just see. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see. Let's get the ball rolling here, and then we'll clarify the cards. Gemini and their person, spirit, if they had to say something to each other, what would that be? Gemini and their person. Let's take a few more from here. Oops, 2 together. Okay. All right, thank you. So the first card I have here says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games are no longer going to be tolerated. So if this was a third-party situation here, Gemini, because I do see 2 people here, right? The 9 of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. If this was a third-party situation, I think there is one person who is saying this, who could be the older person here. Who was the one, actually? Let's see. I hurt myself when I chose to keep peace and enjoy time with you. I should have told you the truth about what was bothering me. Keeping it all inside has been eating away at me. So I think because maybe there was a suspicion or there was a third party involved here, Gemini, the one person like out of the three, one I think just wanted to wait around and see what decision would be made. I think somebody was waiting for this decision to be made and kept with it till the decision would be made and didn't speak up. But now they're saying, hey, you're not making a decision. So I guess I might as well put my boundaries up. I was keeping quiet because I was curious to see what you would do. I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, and I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I have made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious because their partner now has boundaries up, no longer allowing them back in. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in the future. Somebody kept waiting here, Gemini. Somebody just kept waiting here for, I think, this emperor to make a decision and kept biting their tongue to say, I won't say anything right now. I'm curious to see what's going to happen, and I do love this person, and sooner or later maybe a decision will be made. But now they're saying, I don't see anything in the future, and I've put my boundaries up now. Yes, I do love you. I do feel for you, but I have to protect myself. I took an oath with God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and to take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. So that was the feeling, I think, that both parties felt, even though there was a third party situation. There was a recognition of a spiritual connection, feeling that this is a soulmate from a past life. And because the feeling was so strong, I think one person just kept waiting and waiting and waiting. But since no decision was made, I think, let's see, Three of Cups here, Spirit. Three of Cups here. Because of this third party situation, I think this offer was never made, Gemini. Whether you didn't make it or your partner didn't make it, you would know who you are in this equation. Gemini, I could be picking up your energy. I could be picking up your cross-watcher's energy. So because of a third party situation, this new love offer could never be made. And that left, everybody feeling very emotionally unhappy because this commitment could never really fructify. It was felt in the heart, but because the offer was not made, this never happened, and I think somebody kind of dropped it. Seven of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Wands, this one person just stopped fighting for it. This person, whoever this, I think, Queen of Pentacles was, said, it's no point. Why am I stressing myself out? I mean, I waited, I watched, I felt the connection. There was no offer that came. There is no long term that I see with this person. So I might as well stop fighting for this connection. Why should I be the only one who's always stressed out and thinking and wishing and hoping? It's time that I kind of got myself out of this equation. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. Now the masculine here, Gemini, wants to now take action. They don't want these boundaries put up. They don't want to fight. They are feeling passionate. They want to take action. They want to take back control. They want to take back charge. But the problem here is that now they are thinking of the way they've behaved in the past. Maybe they were a player in the past, right? So they may have been in and out of this queen's life and never done the right thing. So as much as this emperor now wants to come back into control, take back power, take back control, whoever this emperor is, they want their wish fulfillment big time. They want it, but they are feeling that it may not happen because the karma is going to play a big part in this. Maybe they wanted with both, or they wanted it with both, and now things have really fallen wayside for them. They were only thinking of their own happiness throughout. Now it's become burdening. Now this weight has become too much for this emperor to bear, because see, this emperor wanted to stay in control, okay? They wanted to be the boss. They always wanted their happiness. As long as my 9 cups are full, as long as I am happy, as long as whatever. So they did bad karma. Let in simple words, I'll put it this way. This person did something which ruined their karmic, their karma, okay? All this person was interested in, how can I be happy? They never thought what they are doing to the others, because when you hurt somebody, it's going to sooner or later come back to you, right? And now that is exactly what has happened. I think now this person is by themselves, and now they are thinking and contemplating about all their player ways, and the more they're thinking about it, the more burdened they're starting to feel. So 9 of Pentacles, Spirit, 9 of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so the decision has been made by this Queen of Pentacles. Now this Queen of Pentacles says this person has been emotionally manipulating me all this while. This was really didn't take off. Wheel of Fortune was in reverse, is in reverse. So they're saying this is not even worth pursuing. The flow is not there. Things are very stuck. So I've now realized that this person was a karmic soulmate probably, and it's time for me to release this person. I would rather take my power back, be single, be abundant, be happy, and not fight for this connection anymore. I don't want to invest in this anymore, because I don't want to have any sleepless nights wishing and wanting this person to make up their mind. So what I'm going to do, because this person has never offered me this position of being the Queen of Pentacles, the one which is respected and, like a partner, or introduced as a, my girlfriend or wife or whatever. He says, I've never got this position, so what will they do? I'm making this decision now. I'm making this decision. That the decision card is from this feminine here. I don't know who this is for both of you. So what's this decision, Spirit? What's the decision here? One more. As much as this feminine has made the decision here, I think the masculine is rushing in once again to delay this feminine from leaving. They want to have a conversation or an argument about this juggling that's been going on. I think they still want to go have this feminine return back to them. Yeah, this masculine has a fear of letting go completely. They are still optimistic maybe that things can be repaired or resumed once again. But I don't think it's going to be received well here, Gemini. I'll be honest with you. This feminine has made up her mind. Yeah, there is no communication coming or going, which is maybe because this feminine has stopped communicating, stopped messaging. This masculine is now getting a little antsy, and they want to rush in and do or say something. But I don't think right now they know what, because they know they've been juggling. They don't have the words to kind of say anything. This feminine here, whoever this Queen of Pentacles is a very, very intelligent person, I would say, who's saying enough of delay. I don't want to be stressed out. I'm making a decision. I'm still optimistic about my future. I'm not going to just stay around. Yes, I was curious. I did have love for this person, but I'm not going to waste my life for this person. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. I hoped this resonated with a few of you out there. Let me know, okay? It really helps. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.